Every meeting has three parts. The ramp up to the meeting, we might do a whole bunch of things. The actual meeting, where, as a diagram here, you might have someone present, someone else presents, then you break out into breakout groups, you get back together and summarize, you break out again, and so on. This is a meeting. Meetings have owners, people who present, there are various agenda items, someone taking notes, someone helping to go smoothly, and then people attending the meeting. Then we have what happens after the meeting and all of the follow-up steps. And it helps to think of any meeting as architected as shown here, with a conscious ramp up where you collect data and do some analysis, and you figure out what you're going to do and who's going to do what, and you look at what's going to happen before it happens, then you do it, then you follow up.